Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. In recent years, Portugal has grappled with a surge in document fraud, particularly concerning police clearance certificates, PCCs, and other official documents. This trend poses significant challenges to the nation's immigration system, legal integrity, and international reputation. The rise of document fraud in Portugal. Document fraud in Portugal encompasses the creation and use of counterfeit documents, including fake passports, employment contracts, and PCCs. These fraudulent activities are often orchestrated by individuals or networks aiming to exploit Portugal's immigration policies or facilitate illegal activities. Notable incidents and arrests. Several incidents highlight the prevalence and impact of document fraud in Portugal. Fake passport arrests at Lisbon Airport, November 2022. The Foreigners and Borders Service, SAFE, detained 16 foreign nationals at Lisbon Airport for attempting to use fraudulent passports to board flights to destinations like Cancun and Istanbul. These arrests underscore the ongoing efforts to curb illegal immigration facilitated by counterfeit documents. Algarve residency scam, October 2022. The Public Ministry of Albufeira accused two Portuguese citizens of forging documents to aid the illegal immigration of over 100 foreigners. This scheme involved the creation of fake employment contracts, enabling individuals to fraudulently regularize their residency status in Portugal. Algarve accountant's fake job scam, January 2025. A 58-year-old accountant from the Algarve was accused of creating fake employment contracts to help immigrants obtain legal status in the Netherlands. Between 2016 and July 2023, she reportedly profited around €16,000 from this scheme, which provided a fast track for individuals seeking access to the Schengen area without residing in Portugal. Governmental and organizational responses. In response to the escalating issue of document fraud, Portuguese authorities have implemented several measures. Extension of document validity, June 2024. To address the backlog in processing immigration documents, the government extended the validity of residence-related documents and visas by 1 year, until June 30, 2025. This move aimed to alleviate pressure on administrative services and provide relief to immigrants awaiting regularization. Combating misinformation initiatives. Organizations like O Poligrafo and the startup, The Newsroom, have been instrumental in verifying news and combating misinformation in Portugal. These platforms help citizens discern authentic information from fake news, thereby fostering a more informed public. The role of social media and public awareness. Social media platforms have become pivotal in both perpetuating and combating document fraud. While fraudsters utilize these platforms to advertise counterfeit documents, awareness campaigns also leverage them to educate the public. 1. TikTok awareness campaigns. Users and consultants have taken to platforms like TikTok to warn against the use of fake PCCs in immigration processes. 1. For instance, videos highlight the severe repercussions of submitting fraudulent documents, emphasizing the importance of authenticity in legal proceedings. TikTok.com international implications and concerns. The issue of document fraud extends beyond Portugal's borders, affecting international relations and security. Illegal access to the EU. Reports have uncovered institutional loopholes allowing third country nationals to illegally obtain genuine Portuguese passports through forged documentation and corruption. This not only compromises Portugal's national security but also the integrity of the European Union's borders. Conclusion. The proliferation of fake PCCs and other fraudulent documents in Portugal presents a multifaceted challenge that necessitates a comprehensive response. While authorities have implemented measures to address the issue, continuous public awareness and robust legal frameworks are essential to deter such fraudulent activities. Individuals are strongly advised against procuring or using fake documents, as the legal consequences are severe and far-reaching. Thank you for watching this video.